5 seconds to go. Start. The present petition has been filed by the petitioner impugning an order dated 13th June 2014 passed by the Central Information Commissioner, hereinafter referred to as CIC, whereby the appeal preferred by the petitioner against an order dated 3rd April 2013 passed by the First Appellate Authority had been rejected. The order dated 3rd April 2013 had in turn rejected the petitioner's appeal against an order dated 11th February 2013 passed by respondent bank's Central Public Information Officer, hereinafter referred as CPIO. By the said order, the CPIO of respondent bank refused to provide the information sought by the petitioner in respect of its customer inter alia on the ground that the same was held by the bank in a fiduciary capacity and was exempted under Section 8 of the Right to Information Act 2005, hereinafter referred to as the RTI Act. Briefly stated, the facts are that on 18th January 2013, the petitioner applied under the RTI Act to the CPIO of the respondent bank seeking the following information with respect to Hemraj Charitable Trust, a society registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860. Entire record pertaining to opening of the bank account by MCT, including the account opening form. All subsequent documents, resolutions, authority letters submitted with the bank. The actual date of submission, receipt of letter dated 14th August 99 in and by the bank. Thereafter, the petitioner sent another application on 22nd January 2013 seeking further information. By its order dated 11th February 2013, the CPI of the respondent bank declined to provide the said information on the ground that information pertaining to its customers was exempt from the provision of the RTI Act by virtue of clauses D, E and J of section 8(1) of the RTI Act. Aggrieved by the denial of the said information, the petitioner preferred an appeal before the First Appellate Authority, which was also dismissed by an order dated 3rd April 2013. The decision of the First Appellate Authority was carried in appeal before the CIC. By the impugned order, the CIC accepted the submissions of the respondent bank that the information in respect of its customers was exempt from the RTI Act as the same was held by the bank in a fiduciary capacity and accordingly rejected the appeal of the petitioner. The learned counsel for the petitioner contended that the petitioner was the secretary of Hemraj Charitable Trust and as an office bearer was entitled to information relating to the said trust. It was further submitted that Hemraj Charitable Trust was a charitable institution and therefore larger public interest would warrant disclosure of information by the respondent bank. The learned counsel for the petitioner relied on the decision of the Supreme Court in Bihar Public Service Commission versus Sayyid Hussain Abbas Rizvi 2012-13 SCC 61 to contend that even information held in fiduciary capacity can be disclosed by a competent authority if a larger public interest so warrants. The respondent bank claimed that as per its records, the petitioner was neither reflected as a secretary of the trust nor was authorized to operate the bank accounts. It was further stated that there were disputes pending between the petitioner and her relatives, and the information sought by the petitioner was not for any larger public interest but apparently to assist her in the litigation pending between the petitioner and her family members. Stop.